Hello. Today I'm going to take the introduction class for the machine learning. Let's today discuss about what is machine learning, the types of machine learning, the ML process, and then few preliminaries. So, first of all, I would like to make you the machine learning concept clear with why we need such concept in our real world. In today's world, we know we generate large amount of data. So there occurs difficulty in collecting, analyzing, and responding to large sets of data. So in order to find a suitable solution comes the machine learning concept in that we could able to process the data and make the output as required. So we can now define various models and applications that works on the principle of machine learning with the data. The first one is the online recommender system. So we purchase in the online. So based on the users or the customers need, the algorithm chooses and make available request based on the customer's need and requirements. So in the second picture it is given a automated car. An automated self-driving car which calculates the distance of the other cars and drives the car by itself. There also we use the machine learning algorithm. Then the third picture where the machines are making the automobile, and then the fourth picture there it is actually the machine which operates on the human body. So the ML algorithms are initially trained with the data set or the input, what we call it as. And with that data taken as input, it is trained and it is operating on the environment or the testing data set or any other operations or process based on the input. Yes, in few more examples like we have analysis in the medical field, and then next picture it is actually a analysis of the marketing in industries. And then we have education system, analytical operations. So a machine learning system can be classified into three types. The first one is descriptive. The system uses the data to explain what happened. If it is falls under that category, we call it as descriptive. Predictive. What is that? Predictive. The system uses the data to predict what will happen. So initially we train the data set, that is ML algorithm, with the data set. So based on the training, it will predict the output. Yes. Prescriptive. The system will use the data to make suggestions about what action to take. So it is suggesting the user to take the possible action. Let us look on the recommendation engines. Yes, I have taken this recommendation engines to understand how machine learning concept or the technique being implemented in the real world. So collaborative filtering. So what is collaborative filtering? It matches customers who bought similar items to recommend products, events, pages, group, etc. So Facebook is one of the application that we can say collaborative filtering. It uses that, yes, as one of the recommendation engines. The next taken example is Amazon. It is using content based filtering. It recommends items based on a user's purchase history, ratings, and feedback. The next one is YouTube. It is using candidate generation network. It takes events from a user's online activity to recommend a small subset from a large corpus. Next, personalized video ranker. It ranks best matches from an entire database for each user in a personalized way. So, one example is Netflix, which is using this recommendation engines. The next one is knowledge based recommender systems. It analyzes each time in a user query to recommend a combination of items, services, etc. The digital media using this knowledge based recommender system for its service. So here are given with few examples where machine learning is used. The self-driving Google car, web search results, social listening applications, market pricing models, text-based sentiment analysis, fraud detection, pattern recognition, credit scoring, prediction of success and failure, online recommendation or offers on big e-commerce sites, Amazon, Netflix. Yes. So I have also tabulated a few real-world ML systems. DoorDash, Google, NVIDIA, OLX. So in DoDash, it extracts product attributes from unstructured data, and then it builds DoDash products knowledge graph with large data set. So likewise, we are implementing the YAML concept in major industries and organizations. Then comes the types of machine learning. We have four types of machine learning classifications: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Medical imaging, housing, price prediction are few examples of supervised learning. Customer segmentation, basket analysis are unsupervised learning models. And then text classification, lane finding on GPS data or applications of semi supervised learning. Optimized marketing, driverless cars are examples of reinforcement learning. Now we have three types of machine learning algorithms. Uh, Let us differentiate each of these models. Labeled data, direct feedback, predict outcome or future. These are the features of supervised learning. No labels, no feedback, find hidden structure in data. This is how unsupervised learning model is working. And then decision process, reward system, learn series of actions. This is how the reinforcement learning is actually processing. We will discuss each of these concepts in detail in the upcoming classes. Now, for this class, in the introduction to machine learning, why it is important and what are all the real world applications have been discussed. I'm so happy to discuss with everyone, and we will see the upcoming topics in the next classes. Thank you.